Hey everybody, it's Bruce Elgort here. It's a Sunday morning and I woke up and I wanted to start using the Python programming language to work with ChatGPT, which you've probably read about in the news, and it's setting the world of education on fire, as they say, right? So I asked ChatGPT this morning, this AI engine, I asked it to write me some code that I could use within Python to work with ChatGPT, and that's these 27 lines of code here. Now, I modified it slightly so you're not seeing my quote-unquote key to access the API. But as you can see, it's, again, 27 lines, including what we call comments and white space here. So there it is, right? So let's get it to work. So let's start off. Write a cover letter for a job as a Python Django web developer. There we go, just that. Okay, so let's see what it says. And I'm not going to read the entire letter, but let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. And of course, again, this is me not using the ChatGPT site that's on the web that you would normally use through your web browser. This is me using it through a program, Python program, in a product called Visual Studio Code. All this stuff is free. So there you go. There is the letter. All right, it's pretty good. Let me clear my terminal and let me run one more time. And I'm going to say, write a Python program that allows me to, let's do this, upload files to AWS S3. And some of you may know what this is, but it's what we call an object store that lives in the cloud that allows you to store things like pictures or files. So let's see what it comes back with. The program will allow you to upload, oh, look at that. It didn't come back with text here. I'm wondering if, that's interesting. All right, we live, we learn, right? Let me run this again, and let's just ask it, write a Python program that prints out all of the odd numbers from 0 to 101, okay? And let's see what we get here. Oh, there we go. Now, just so you know, this is 3 lines of Python code. I don't know if I would have written it this way, but it is a valid answer to the problem that I entered. So again, I'm not going to demonstrate more of ChatGPT here. The main point is that this is a simple little Python program, and I think you can appreciate how little code that I had to write. I only wrote like 2 or 3 lines of this myself, but imagine, tying this type of functionality into software products or home, consumer products or stuff like that. That's it for this rainy Sunday morning, coming to you from Vancouver, Washington. Take care, everybody.